What do the most beautiful and cherished homes have in common? Their appeal is timeless. And that's exactly what's so special about this French provincial style home in Ascot. From the moment you arrive, the European influence is unmistakable. Manicured gardens, travertine-lined pathways, and a classic facade create an unforgettable first impression. Step inside and you're immediately drawn to the magnificent handcrafted staircase, framed by Italian travertine flooring, soaring ceilings, intricate cornices, and sparkling chandeliers. Downstairs is dedicated to effortless family living and entertaining. At its heart is a stunning handcrafted kitchen that flows seamlessly into a series of generous living spaces. French doors open onto the private terrace and sparkling pool, creating a beautiful setting for entertaining, yet one that's been intentionally designed to be low maintenance. Upstairs, the primary suite is a true retreat, complete with a luxurious marble ensuite, while the remaining bedrooms are equally impressive, each beautifully appointed. Elegant and timeless. Every element of this home reflects enduring quality, refined design, and effortless luxury. A home designed to leave a lasting impression.